what I'm talking about!
Okay, here we go with a look at the Victorinox Swiss card. In this video, I'll give you a close look at the Swiss card and go over some of its features. So this is the packaging here. Pretty simple, there's nothing really extra in it. Set this off to the side. I believe they have another version of this that incorporates a low lumen flashlight. This is the one without. Let's go over some of the different features here. You've got a small knife, and it's just a small simple blade. Has a very positive latch. It's not going to unintentionally come out of the card. And you have a set of small scissors, and these are spring-loaded, so it'd be easy for one-handed operation. And that's it for this side of the card. Now you've got a small ink pen. Let's see if I can find something to write on. And it's kind of awkward to use, but it would work in a pinch. Kind of nice to have a pen in your wallet. Comes with a plastic toothpick. A set of tweezers. A nail file. And a small flathead screwdriver. There's also a little pin, and I find pins to be very useful in like digging out splinters. And then you've got measuring hash marks. Got your centimeters on one side and your inches on the other side. Let me show you how easy it fits into a wallet. Add a little bit of bulk to your wallet, but it's nice to have some handy little tools. Generally, I have my wallet anywhere I go. Another place I could put it. So that's a simple look at the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic. Thanks for checking out my videos.